Hey my wonderful people, you are welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. If you are coming here for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Adaora. If you are a returning subscriber, you are also highly welcome. I'm going to share with you today my corned beef spaghetti recipe. This recipe is just so wonderful. If you are interested, just sit back and continue watching. For the list of ingredients, here I have two packets of spaghetti. I have two different brands there, that is why they are of two different colors. Here are my seasonings. I have pepper, salt, curry powder, thyme, seasoning cube, bay leaf, rosemary. Here I have my corned beef. I always have problem when it comes to opening corned beef with that opener they usually install. I always fail when I try to use that. So as you can see, I ended up using my tin cutter. Here I have some tomato paste, fresh and tinned tomato paste. And over here is my chopped onions. Also have some cooking oil. And I have my yogurt marinated air fried chicken. If you haven't seen this recipe yet, be sure to check it out. So the first thing is to place the pot in your stove. Next, add some oil, add the onions and fry until it becomes translucent. Next, add in your tomato paste and continue frying. After frying for about 7 minutes, I threw in some bay leaves and I stirred again. Then after 1 minute, I added my corned beef. When the corned beef is well incorporated, add water. If you have meat stock, you can add meat stock instead of just the plain water. After adding the water or any liquid of your choice, except juice, stir properly, then add in your seasoning powder, your salt, pepper, curry, thyme. Just add any seasoning and spice that you would want to add at this stage. After adding it, just stir together, cover it and let it simmer. When it simmers, stir everything together. Make sure you don't add too much liquid to this pasta because you don't want it to be soggy. Just add water gradually, okay? So when it simmers, add in your spaghetti. If you notice, I did not parboil this spaghetti, okay? That is just this recipe. I don't want the spaghetti to come out soggy, but if you want to parboil yours, just go ahead and do that. Now, after adding in all the spaghetti, make sure that they are completely immersed in the soup, in the stew. Stir everything together. Then add just little quantity of water underneath the spaghetti so that it won't get burnt. After adding in the water, just cover it and let it cook. This was after about 5 to 7 minutes. I opened the pot, I mixed everything together once more, and you have to do this on medium to low heat because you don't want the spaghetti to get burnt. Okay, if you cook this on high heat, it will drastically get burnt and you won't like that. So after mixing it the second time, I added another small quantity of water underneath the whole stuff so that they won't get burnt. You have to add the water gradually so that the spaghetti won't get burnt. So the next thing is to cover it with a foil paper and continue cooking on medium to low heat. Cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes or until it becomes soft according to your choice. After about 5 minutes, I stirred it again and I checked it and it was so soft for me. It was just soft enough for me. But if you check yours and it is still hard, just cover it with the foil paper and continue to steam on very low heat until it gets soft according to your choice. So now the spaghetti is ready to be served. I served it with my air fried yogurt marinated chicken and it was so good. If you haven't seen that recipe yet, click the link on the screen now and watch it after you finish watching this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.